Hello guys, my name is Luciano. Today I want to show you how to disassemble this computer. Pay attention. Here this is on HP HEWLETT PACKARD beat sound. Okay, look here. Let me show you. First, turn it upside down. Okay, then I already removed this screw. You have to, this is screw here. Okay, look, this is screw. So you need a special key, a screwdriver. This is screwdriver to remove this screw here. Okay, I already done it, but I want to show you how to do. Okay, then you remove. Okay, you have here in this space you have some screw. Remove all them. So they are one. It's just one. Okay, because the other two are on the cover. This cover, you remove it, and this you remove it to second your memory. Remove the memory of your computer. Okay. Then you have some screws, like 1, 2, 3. There are many. Remove this. You have one screw in this, here in this place. You should remove. Only after you remove this, you can, for example, remove the CD-ROM drive. Okay, take this and then you will remove CD-ROM drive. In this side here, you have a special screw. So you need a special screwdriver like this. For example, here. Let me show you. Here. This one to remove this screw. Okay. It's very important to remove. Okay. I put it here. And now I have some here. Under this cover, other here. Okay, remove all them. You have a screw here and another here. I already done it. Okay, then after remove it, you take this here. But first, let's remove the battery. Sometimes a little bit difficult to remove, but let me take a key to remove it. You should unlock. Okay, unlock. Okay, unlock it. Take it out. Okay, there are some screw, one here, another here, another here. Remove all them. Okay. Then this one, you have another here, you have more screw here and here. Another hint, more important, never forget, here in this place you have a little cover. It should be removed too. Okay. Because you have a screw under this little cover. Okay, I take it, I put it here. Okay, remove this here too. When you will remove all them, especially one here and all those these are here on the border, you need to certify that you remove all them. After it, it's okay to start to open your computer. So you need this tool this tool, okay, like this, to remove and to open your computer. Now let's open the computer. Okay, start by here. Okay, okay, it's done. Now you have some flats. Unplug your flats and your computer are open. I will not remove or unplug my flat because it's not my target. Okay, I only want to remove my hard drive. The hard drive is here. Okay, it's okay. Nothing so hard, but it's important to pay attention on this screw. Remove all them, because if you forget some screw, you can cause a damage on your computer. Okay, so why it's so important for you to remove all them. Okay, just a hint for you. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, just mark like on this channel, because if you mark like, you will help me and I will do more video for you. Thank you, and share this video. Bye.